Good morning students, I am Shomajit sir. Today I am here to deliver my lecture on topic lipids. This is from the chapter biomolecules. So watch the entire video lecture to gain basics out of it. Here I'll discuss about the different types of lipids. So without any delay, let's start with the topic lipids. So let's start. Now let's start with the topic lipid. So we know that lipid is also a biomicromolecules and they are insoluble in water and they contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, but the number of oxygen atom is less. All right, so lipids are water insoluble. Again I repeat, lipids are water insoluble. Now moving to the types of lipid, how many types of lipids are there? There are three types of lipids are there. They are simple lipid, compound lipids and derived lipids. Now we'll see these lipids one by one. Now moving to the types of lipid, first is a simple lipids. So what is a simple lipids? They are formed of fatty acid and alcohol like a glycerol, and fatty acids are lipid with a hydrocarbon chain. All right, so fatty acids are lipid with a hydrocarbon chain that is having a R group ending with carboxylic group. All right, that is RCOOH. Next example we have palmitic acid, has 16 carbon. All right, so you can see the formula CH3 CH2 whole 4 14, then COH, or it's written as C15H31 COH, and an arabinoid kick. All right, arachidonic acid has 20 carbons. So arachidonic acids have 20 carbons and palmitic acids have 16 carbons. So you can see the structure of palmitic acids and arachidonic acids. So simple lipids are what? They are formed of fatty acid and alcohol like glycerol. Now on the types of fatty acid, now what are the different types of fatty acids we have? One is saturated fatty acid, another is unsaturated fatty acid. Now what is a saturated fatty acid? That means saturated fatty acid are those fatty acids that have no double or triple bond between the carbon atoms. All right, so saturated fatty acid don't have a double bond or a triple bond, whereas in unsaturated fatty acid they have one or more carbon bonds. So example of saturated fatty acid is palmitic acid. Example of unsaturated fatty acid is oleic acid. So examples are given: palmitic acid, stearic acid are example of saturated fatty acid, and oleic acid, arachidonic acid are the example of unsaturated fatty acid. So saturated fatty acid have no double or triple bond, whereas in unsaturated fatty acids they have one or more carbon bonds. So you can see the structure of stearic acid and oleic acid given below. Next you can see the structure of glycerol, that is trihydroxypropane. All right, you see the structure of glycerol, that means trihydroxy. See, 3 hydroxyl group are there in CH2OH, CHOH and CH2H. 3 hydroxyl group are there, that's why it is trihydroxy. And why propane? Because 3 carbon meet eth pro. All right, so glycerol, another name is trihydroxypropane. So the formula is given, the structural formula you can see CH2OH, CHOH and CH2OH. Next, we see that fatty acids are esterified with glycerol. All right, so the fatty acids are esterified with glycerol through ester bonds, forming monoglyceride, diglyceride and triglycerides. All right, so there are 3 types of glycerides. One is monoglyceride, that means 1 glyceride, then diglyceride, that means 2 glyceride, 2 fatty acid, and triglyceride, that means 3 fatty acid. Right, monoglyceride means 1 glycerol plus 1 fatty acid, that is monoglyceride. Diglyceride means 1 glycerol plus 2 fatty acid is diglyceride, and triglyceride means 1 glycerol plus 3 fatty acid. the amount of fatty acid chain increases. If one fatty acid monoglycerol, if two fatty acid diglycerol, if three fatty acid then triglycerol. You can see that structures of fatty acid, palmitic acid, glycerol, monoglyceride, diglyceride and triglyceride, all the structures are given very nicely. You can see it's a very colorful slide. Next, about triglyceride, here you can see R1, R2, R3 are fatty acids. All right, so you can see left hand side the figure, structure is given where R1, R2, R3 are the fatty acid. So based on melting point, lipids, that means triglycerides, are of two types. So based on them, so triglyceride based on their melting point, lipids. Now triglycerides, another name is lipids. So lipids are of two types on the basis of their melting point. One is fats, another is oil. So higher melting point, fats have a higher melting point and oils have a lower melting point. All right, so oils are liquid at room temperature and fats are solid at room temperature. So you can see on top, right hand side, three fatty acid chains are given and glycerol backbones are given. Now we move to compound lipid, the next type. So what are compound lipid? These are the esters of fatty acid and alcohol with additional group. All right. So again I repeat, what is compound lipid? These are esters of fatty acid with alcohol with additional group. All right, so that means esters of fatty acid and alcohol with additional group. Example, phospholipid, that means fatty acid plus glycerol plus phosphate. So these are, that means they are found in a cell membrane. Example, lecithin. So you can see the structure of lecithin given, and these are found in the cell membrane. You can see the structure of cell membrane, outside, inside, all are given here. So what is phospholipid? Phospholipid means phosphate plus lipid. All right, so lipid, smallest unit of lipid is fatty acid and glycerol, and phospho means phosphate. All right, so phospholipid means fatty acid, glycerol and phosphate. Next, in the lipid we see the third type, that is derived lipid. So that means what? These are the products of hydrolysis of simple lipids and compound lipid. All right, so these are the products of hydrolysis of the simple and compound lipid. Example, we find cholesterol. All right, cholesterol is a derived lipid. These are the products of hydrolysis of simple and compound lipid. Hydrolysis means breakdown of water. All right, student, so these are the video lecture for lipids. Here I have given, or I have explained, the different types of lipid. One is simple lipid. All right, so these are the different types. You can see simple lipids are there, compound lipids are there, and derived lipids are there. So you can see the three classifications are here. Here is the classification chart. See, the different types of lipids are there. One is simple lipid, compound lipid and derived lipid. Thank you, student. This was all about the entire video lecture. Here I have discussed about the topic lipids. So hope you have liked this video lecture. So stay at home, stay safe. I am Shomuji sir, signing off for today, and again we'll meet in the next class. Thank you, students.